Hello guys, welcome back to Algorithms Made Easy. Today we will start off with a problem from one of the most cherished and best-selling books in the tech world, Cracking the Coding Interview. Today's problem is more of a question than a statement. And in this video we will try to find the answer to does the string has all the unique characters? So without wasting time, let's start. As always, let's brainstorm which data structure we can use. Think about it and then we'll proceed further. Let me give you a hint. It is a data structure that allows only unique elements. That's correct. Set. Set would make our life easier for this kind of questions. What about map? Yes, we can use that too. But for now, we will move ahead with set and see how we can solve it. Let's take a simple string A, B, C, D, E, F for example. By looking at it, we can say that yes, the string has all the unique characters. Now, let's try to prove that programmatically. We will use the no duplicate property of the set. There will be simple if-else checks. We iterate over all the characters in the string, and if the value is not present in the set, then we add it. If it is present, then we stop and return false. Simple, right? Let's see it in action. We take our first character and see if it is present in set or not. As we can see, it is not. Then we add it in the set. Doing the same with all the characters one at a time. We have reached the end of the string and we didn't get any character that satisfied our else condition. That means our string is in turn a unique character string. Now let's take another example which has a duplicate character. Here we take string ABC. As we can make out that this is not a unique string. Let's try to apply our earlier approach and see if it gives the correct result or not. Like before, we will start from the first character. We will add it as the set is empty. The same will happen to B and C as both the characters are not present in the set. Now that we have encountered A again, this time the if condition is not true and the program comes on the else part. And so it breaks the loop and returns false. The time and space complexity of this algorithm is O(n). Why? Because we are traversing all the characters, and in worst case scenario where the string is unique, we will be using a set of length n to store all the characters. Now here's a trick question. What will be the maximum size to which the set can grow? The answer to it lies in how many unique characters are actually there. Check out the link to the Java code in the description below. Now comes the interesting part of this question. Can we solve it in constant space and constant time? This is going to be fun. Click the video link on the top and see how we can achieve it. The solution will really blow your mind. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Check out my other videos for more interview problems. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the video. Also, if you want me to make a video on one of your problem statement, do comment.